Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to our weekly outlook. It is June 9th. We are going to be deep diving into what has been going on within the crypto markets and what is actually to come. Right? First things first, though, welcome to our new Decrypts website. Right? We have officially launched. I just want to put it out there. We have officially launched. Um, and we have a lot of different things to offer. Right? If you guys haven't already, please come to the website and actually join the community. Right? This will actually put you on our email list where you guys are actually able to receive weekly outlooks of what we are looking at in the market and what we are looking to anticipate for the upcoming weeks. Right, we go over economic news, breaking down all the economic red folders and high impact news that's to come throughout the week, as well as moves that we are looking to anticipate in the market. Right, so if you come there, that gets you started with that, and of course, we are actually starting to do one-on-ones. So if you're looking for one-on-ones or looking for mentorship, right, personal mentorship, or you're just looking to get into crypto and learn more, a little bit more about it, where you can actually start making a profit and making some moves in the market, you come here, and we have different options for you. Right, whichever one is more affordable is the one that you obviously go with. Obviously, our one-on-one lessons, you want me to walk you through how to get started, how to get, more so how to get started if you're having any problems when it comes to trading, or any problems when it comes to the market, right? You are obviously, this is, something that you would probably want to get. Lifetime mentorship, you have access to me personally, as well as my course, as well as any other projects that I'm working on. And then if you just want the course, of course, the Coin Decrypts full course with access to the Discord. Right, I'm gonna be showing you guys what the Discord entails. But this is literally A to Z on everything that I know about crypto and how I am able to break down the charts as well as fundamental analysis. So that way, we could all get in profitable projects and great projects, right? Um, so that's a little bit about what we have to offer as Coin Decrypts. Like I said, if you haven't already, come up here. Link is in the bio, by the way. Links in the description, actually. And come up here, hit join the community, and then that should put you on the email list. All right. So, yeah. Next, we have our Discord, of course, right? So, of course, we have all of that to offer, but when it comes to what we have to what we have to offer for our private community, right? You guys get access to our private community. It's $40 a month, and it comes with all of these great things. Obviously, live crypto, live FX trade ideas, right? Everything that I'm trading, I'm gonna be sending into the Discord so that you guys get in position. You guys have a crypto fast start. So, um, if you are a beginner, right, whether or not you're a beginner, advanced, right, if you don't know exactly how to trade crypto, right, you can start right away, right? There's a fast start included. All right, it only takes you around 10 minutes to get everything started. You look at the fast start videos, and you're able to get started within 10 minutes and be a part of our private community, taking the trades with us and looking for different trade ideas. We also have exclusive calls and webinars, right, and live streams, so that way you gain different insights and up to date on anything that's going on within the crypto market, or if something has occurred that day, right? Major news, something huge that may have a huge impact on the market. We do those calls as well. Obviously, you get access to all of my methods, right? The the insights, the methods that I have, right, when it comes to giving us an edge over the market. And then of course, she had to do crypto taxes as well. Not a lot of people actually show how to, show you what is a taxable event in crypto, what's taxed, what are different tax havens, right? Different tax loopholes when it comes to crypto, right? And then of course, researching crypto companies, you'll learn how to do that, and just access to my portfolio list, and a list of coins that I believe, and that I have done research on, right? So this is everything that you get access to, in $40 a month, right? It's pretty cheap. Uh, Understanding that everything that it entails, right, within the Discord, right? So this will be a link in the description as well. Um, so without further ado, of course, that's everything that we have to offer and that we just came out with, right? So going into what has occurred over the past week when it comes to crypto, right? There's different news that has occurred, right? First news that was really big was Robinhood actually acquiring Bitstamp, right, for $200 million. And you know what? That's not even that. That's really not even that expensive. I'm gonna be honest with you. $200 million for Robinhood to acquire Bitstamp is not. Um, is really not expensive at all, right? So Robinhood acquires crypto exchange Bitstamp in a $200 million deal, right? And basically, Robinhood is looking to acquire not only the exchange, right? This is a crypto exchange. That crypto exchange makes money off of the fees that people trade when people trade, and also Bitstamp has its own assets uh, within the market, right, as well. So understanding this, right, Robinhood looks like they really wanted to get a piece of this market before we actually go crazy, right? Robinhood basically bought the dip and basically joined in on uh, on acquiring assets, crypto assets, right? And they really, that was really a smart move by them, and this could also have a huge effect on the market because not only is Robinhood acquiring Bitstamp, but they just basically acquired Bitstamp's altcoins, right? All their assets. They're they want a part of this market, right? So that shows that obviously this market, this new crypto market, right? They're attracting new buyers, of course, and new market, um, new market players when it comes to this market, right? Of course, we also had the Ethereum ETF approval as well. So, um, that's gonna be crazy. If you guys haven't watched the video, my recent video on YouTube about that, about me breaking it down and what that actually means for Ethereum and the crypto industry, you guys can go watch that. It's on my YouTube. But this is one of the craziest news that has came out over the past week, right? Um, but other than that, right, we're looking at Bitcoin sitting at 69,000. We reached a high, I believe, around 71,500, 700, or something like that, for Bitcoin this past week. And then Ethereum, we're sitting at $3,700 dollars per coin. BNB, right? For those who don't know, BNB actually created a new all-time high this week, right, at $720 per token, per coin, right? Um, so that's actually leading the charge for all the altcoins right now, right? I mean, $720, $710 is what we've seen for BNB over the past week. So that's really leading the charge when it comes to these different altcoins, right? You have Solana saying $161. There's also another rumor about Solana, uh, you know, getting an ETF sooner or later, right? So that's kind of what's in store right now, where we're at with it right now. A lot of people are really asking about what's really happening with Bitcoin, what's really happening with the crypto industry, and honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Of course, we have had the halving, of course. The Bitcoin halving has occurred, right? We are about to go into the summer, right? Q3. Right now we're in Q2. Q3 is coming up. Um, Ethereum ETF obviously just passed. Bitcoin ETF is already live trading, and Bitcoin ETFs has also been started. Other ETFs of Bitcoin have also been started trading in other countries as well, which is literally leading the charge for global adoption as we speak, right? So, there it's all signs of bullishness for when it comes to crypto. But obviously, crypto as of lately, you could say, um, we have really just after creating a new all-time high for Bitcoin, we had just came back down, retracing. Now we kind of recovered from that retracement, and this is a new month, start of June, or 21 days till this monthly candle closes, of course. Um, it's either, this monthly candle, we could possibly see a push up here and creating a new all-time high for Bitcoin, right? I want to see this push up to probably around 80K per coin, right? Or, we could probably even push down, right? I mean, I don't want to say 50,000 isn't off the table yet, but I mean, it depends. If we get that break of structure above this high or this monthly high, then we're off to the upsides, right? But you know, there's multiple things that can happen when it comes to the price action of Bitcoin. I mean, of course, Bitcoin. I see us hitting 100K before the year's over, but within the meantime, of course, right? I mean, we kind of had some boring price action over the last couple of weeks, right? Um, Especially for altcoins. Altcoins really haven't been doing much, but for Bitcoin, um, you know, when it comes to the price action itself, right? It's either we do trade up and we it's the beginning of the month, right? Of course, but we could either have a remaining stagnant, you know, couple of months until we start seeing those rate cuts, right? Towards the end of the year, and then we do get that rise up, or we do break all of this month, and then we went to 80K. So it's either more realistic, of course, would be this the crypto market just especially Bitcoin, we just consolidate until we shake a lot of retail traders out. um, you know Retail traders will begin to not to basically become impatient when it comes to did I mean to do that. Retail traders will become impatient when it comes to holding their positions, of course, and then that way, when these markets do trade sideways, right, retail traders will just sell off their positions because the market's too boring, right? So that's something that we could potentially see within this market. And that's kind of something that we have already been seeing, right? I mean, if you look at this right here, this is literally weeks of the downside, or kind of like consolidation, you could say, right? And uh, we could basically get more of that consolidation and just potentially just play in this zone to shake out retail traders, right? And then get that big push up that we want to see, right? So, I mean, obviously it's not going to be all the way in 2027, but it'll be, this move will happen this year. Like this move right here that I just made will happen this year. But um, you have multiple options and multiple things that are on the table right now. And obviously the Ethereum ETF is not trading yet, right? Live. It's not live yet. I mean, obviously we got the approval, but the ETF itself is not trading. And another thing that I want to really express is that in order for these huge investment firms to actually offer Ethereum, the Ethereum ETF towards their clients, they actually have to buy actual Ethereum. They have to buy the actual asset of Ethereum, which will then, make the demand for Ethereum uh, increase, and then push price much higher, just like we've seen for Bitcoin, right? So there's a lot of things on the table when it comes to Ethereum, and then its entire ecosystem of that money and that cash just flowing right into its ecosystem. So there's so much things that's on the table for us. And if you're doing anything other than just holding or just accumulating, then you're doing the wrong thing, right? I mean, you know, you shouldn't be selling your positions unless you're selling it to get into another position, or if you had a great, unless you had a great return on that investment already. But when it comes down to um, these markets, right, we're pretty early, right? We're pretty early. We're about to go into the summer. We already have we're post Bitcoin halving, of course. I mean, we have a lot of things that's coming. So that's kind of what I want to see for crypto. Is, of course, like, we already got that break above for Ethereum, at least this high. We got that break above there, right? I mean, it's a matter of time till this thing just rips. I mean, my price prediction for Ethereum is probably $10,000-$12,000 per coin. So once we get that, I mean, we're 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 golden. I mean, I think Ethereum right now is currently undervalued, of course. And then of course Solana, we're seeing at 161,000. Not yet, of course, but $161. We got that break above this high, right, which is kind of similar to what we've seen on Ethereum previous cycle. We got that break right here, and we just went crazy to the upside, right? If we're looking at Solana, right, we got that break right here, right, and we came down, retraced, and then I know, like, I mean, when it comes to Solana's price action, I mean, Solana's ecosystem is very undervalued, and understanding the amount of money that the potential that this coin really does have. I mean, I'm anticipating $1,000 Solana, right? I mean, towards the end of this bull cycle, or during this bull cycle, at least like $1,000 Solana, right? So we could either, like I said, I mean, Bitcoin is leading the way for all these other for leading the pace when it comes to the industry, right? Ethereum is the second coin that's of course, you know basically behind Bitcoin, and once Bitcoin moves, then we see Ethereum move, and then that money starts trickling into all the other altcoins, right? You see Solana move, you'll see Chainlink move, you'll see Polkadot move, right? So I mean, when it comes down to it, be patient, guys. I mean, don't get shaken out of your position. Don't sell to these institutions, because at the end of the day, those are the ones that are buying up your positions if you're selling them, right? So be patient. I mean, a lot of these altcoins haven't even ran yet. Look at our Cardano. It's at 44 cents. Still hasn't ran yet, really. What else? We're looking at a lot of the gaming tokens, guys. I mean, if you're looking at Sandbox or Illuvium, or even something like what else? Decentraland, right? Those things haven't really ran yet. Everything is just sitting on itself still, right? And I don't think these coins are gonna run until Bitcoin really creates that new all-time high and really, really pushes up. Then, therefore, creating ETH to really run up again. And then once ETH makes that run, all that capital that runs into ETH will start running and trickling into these smaller altcoins, layer 2 coins, all of the above, right? So that's kind of what I'm anticipating for crypto when it comes to this market coming ahead. There's a lot of things that's coming. So without further ado, that's basically all I had when it comes to looking at this market moving forward. And if you haven't already, go join the email list, right? I mean, it's free gems, right? It's free gems. You're getting free weekly outlooks of what I'm anticipating for the week, right? I mean, this really should be for my private community. I mean, my private community we have much more to offer, of course. If you're looking to join the private community to really, really gain insights of what's really happening in the crypto ecosystem, and what coins we're really looking at, and the new coins, the coins that we're not really talking about when it comes to the public community, you'll have to join the WAP Discord. I mean, we already give out enough free game as it is when it comes to our weekly outlooks, and obviously our reels and stuff. So when it comes down to it, if you're looking to really get into the nitty gritty, our private community access is where it's at, and that can be found in the description. Thank you guys for watching. This is a little bit about what we're going to be anticipating over the next couple of weeks, and what we could possibly anticipate for the crypto markets. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Have a great week, and safe trading.